Hi everyone, this is from Landrak USA, your source of quality and affordable land. And today we're going to talk about the beautiful city of Marble Falls. Now, this city is a picturesque city in Travis County, nestled in the heart of Texas Hill Country along the Colorado River. Now, it's a central part of the Highland Lake chain, sitting right on the shores of Lake Marble Falls. The city is a prime example of small town charm, meeting outdoor recreational, offering historic downtown with boutiques, wineries, and famous 96-year-old Blue Bonnet Cafe, alongside ample opportunities for boating, fishing, and hiking. Now, the popularity is booming, with the city experiencing 6.2 annual population growth and skyrocketing by over 40% since 2020. Now, here on our website, you can see one listing that we are offering. On the side here, we have our satellite map, and we can check the major cities and the roads and highway within the area. So Marble Falls is well connected by a network of states and US highway, making it easily accessible from the major metropolitan area of Central Texas. Now let's just zoom out, and you will see here US Highway 281. The US Highway 281 is a primary north-south route that cuts through the center of Marble Falls, providing direct access to its historic downtown and famous restaurants. Ranch to Market Road 1431, RM 1431. This is a major east-west entry. To the west, it links to Marble Falls, to Kingsland and Lake Buchanan area. FM 1980, a secondary road that provides access to areas and west of the city, connecting RM 1431 to County Road 144. Also, FM 262, this is a scenic two-lane road that winds through the Hill County, terminating the Marble Falls, and connects the city to Bostrop and community in the southwest. Now, for the major cities, you can see here Austin, Texas, which is just 39 to 48 miles. San Antonio in the south is 80 to 85 miles. Killen is just 49 miles northeast. Now let's talk about why it's good to buy land here in Marble Falls. And based on the current trend and data, Marble Falls presents a compelling case for land investments for several key reasons. One of those is the explosive population growth and demand. Like what I mentioned, over 40% since 2020, the city has a rapid growth, so it indicates surging demand for housing and land. Also, Primal County location. Texas Hill Country cannot be overstated. Its rolling hills, lakes, and rivers that creates high demand for properties with scenic views and recreational access. Also, the active land market with diverse options. Now, Marble Falls has current listing that reveals healthy and varied market. And also, recreational lifestyle hub. Marble Falls is a destination itself, being in the heart of Highland Lakes, and offers unparalleled access to water sports, fishing, and boating. The area is surrounded by state parks and natural attractions like Longhorn Caverns that ensures high quality of life and steady stream of tourists. So in the essence, buying land in Marble Falls means investing in a high growth area with permanent draw. So the incredible beauty and lifestyle of Texas Hill Country combined with convenient access to major cities. And if you're interested, just visit our website at landrecusa.com, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at 928-515-3510. Thank you.